Digital notice board, DNB, is complete replacement of paper and wooden notice board. We can covert all content in digital look. In old notice board, we can put only A4 sheet in notice board, all work we are doing manually. Old notice board we need to print the A4 sheet, then we need to send a person to put notice in every notice board one by one manually. Managing of old notice board is very costly and time consumption is very high. Old notice board is not mange easily or smartly. It's also wastage of lots of paper, time, money, manpower. But in DNB, we work smartly, less manpower use, within a few minutes, put notice in all display automatically. We can just scan your A4 sheet or take picture and upload in DNB within few minutes. Best benefit of digital notice board, DNB, is run notice, video, RSS, text, many more things. You can run multiple notice, images, video, text within few minutes. You can upload content more than 100 digital notice board, DNB, in few minutes. You can also monitor, capture, control every DNB from single location through internet. DNB is also help to our environment, it's completely support Go Green method. DNB is using in school, college, hospital, court's office, corporate office, reception area, bank, airport, station, etc. DNB support lots of file types, video, Jpeg, JPG, HTML, MP3, MP4, RSS, text, digital clock, analog clock, etc.